Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use Group Tool to edit the model as a whole. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. Select Advanced tool, Kitchen and Bath or Closet. If you want to group multiple models, after holding Shift to select multiple cabinets, the Group button will appear in the floating toolbar. Click Group to complete the combination of multiple models. It should be noted, when multiple cabinets are selected, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl+G/Command+G to quickly group them. After grouping, you can give the combined cabinet a name in the panel on the right, for example, Cabinets. You can also tweak the combined cabinet size based on the actual measurements. If you want to ungroup model combinations, select the model to be ungrouped. The Ungroup button will appear in the floating toolbar. Click Ungroup to complete the model ungrouping. Similarly, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+G/Command+Shift+G to quickly ungroup here as well. That's all. Thanks for watching.